Hello, today I will guide you on how to change or set the default gateway in Windows 11 or Windows 10. The default gateway is a device in a network that routes traffic to other networks when no specific route is defined. Let's get started. Step 1, open Network Settings. Open the Start menu and type Settings into the search box. Click on the Settings app. On the left panel, click Network and Internet. On the right, select your connection type Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2, edit IP settings. Scroll down to the IP assignment section and click the Edit button. In the pop-up window under Edit IP settings, change from automatic DHCP to manual. Toggle IPv4 to the on position. Enter your desired IP address, subnet prefix length, usually 24, and the default gateway you want to set. Optionally, you can enter preferred and alternate DNS servers. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it. A simple way to change the default gateway on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this helped. See you in the next tutorial.